All right, let's freaking pull this hood off by myself. Nice. That was easy. All right, guys, so as you can see, no hood right now. Brand new hood right there. I know you guys have been, I know you've been waiting for this moment a long time. I finally got the big holes right there fixed. There's no more big holes, as you can see, but we do have to cut one more hole because I still want to see flames coming out right here out of my hood. So I have to cut one hole with this hole saw, and then no more holes forever. We'll be good to go. Well, there we go. Ooh, look at that perfect.
That's pretty clean.
That's way clean, dude. Yikes. You still good?
You got it?
Ooh.
Dang.
I think we might be in love. Let's flip it and see how we did. Shit.
Oh shoot.
Let me grab that real quick. Alright, no. There we go. Oh!
There you go.
Now that's more like it. We might put a beauty plate over it, you know? That's the next step. There's gonna be a small little beauty plate, but ooh, guys, look at that. You ready? Let's go. You still filming?
Of course.
Hey, yeah. Man, that looks so much better. I'm happy about that, guys. Very happy about that. Now, I gotta put it back on.
Did you tighten the other one?
No, but I'm gonna drop it in strong.
Boom.
Ooh, that's so much better, guys.
Hey.
All right, guys, let's put this dump tube on for the millionth time. Wow, can I get a first try?
That would be clutch.
I think I got it. Hold on. Wow, I've never gotten that first try. I can't believe that just happened on video.
First try?
Okay. It's gonna be like that, huh? All right, that's on. Now I can twist it. Come on. Ooh, something like that.
It's looking
Let's
good.
see where we're at with that one.
Just do it slowly.
Yeah. Oh,
it
look
fits.
at that. It fits. Now let's just. Oh,
That's like perfect.
That is perfect. Don't worry, guys. We'll also have a beauty plate around this, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that once I do it. But for now, that looks insane, dude. Holy crap! I'm happy about that, guys. That's pretty good. I'll probably cut it down a little bit too, smooth it out, but I'm just glad that it's nice and clean. One simple little hole. First try on everything, dude. We cut that hole.
With a marker?
Yep. Now I just gotta tighten it down and we'll go shoot flames and get a car wash. All right guys, the wastegate tube is on. Gotta put the intake on. Don't worry about how the wastegate tube looks either. I have to grind it down a little bit more, but it'll do its job. So that's all I'm worried about. Clamp up. That's a big intake, dude.
That's a fat intake.
There we go. Nice. There we go. I think we're good to go, guys. I think we are good to go. Yep. Double check everything. Also, guys, I got this new bumper and I'm really stoked about it. Shout out to the guy who sold it to me. His name is Ray, and I really appreciate it. Thank you, my homie, for giving me a good deal and shipping it all the way to me. We actually had to bend it in like half to ship it, but I had it repainted, so they fixed everything. I haven't put the inserts in yet because I'm still waiting to put the grill on and get it all done, but don't worry guys, it'll be almost perfect really soon. Today we just had to finish the hood and put that in. Also, we'll be cutting it so that it's perfectly flush, but for now that'll be perfect since it won't be shooting right on the hood. So we're gonna go for a ride right now and then we're gonna go get a car wash. Let's get to it.
That sounds so good.
Also guys, we got a brand new oil change. So the car should be feeling pretty good. Ooh, it's nice to be back in this thing though.
That sounds so nice.
Yeah, it does. We actually have a whole exhaust with a gasket too, so shouldn't be leaking too much. Alright guys, I finally got my new hood on and I cut the new hole with my new wastegate. As you can see, we just barely got that car wash too, so it should be looking pretty good. As you can see though, my bumper still looks pretty bad. I need to get the grill insert. I have it with me, I just need to put it on, and then I also have the inserts for right here, and I also have the new fender flares. And now that I have my new hood, or excuse me, my new bumper, I can finally put the new flares on, so the car should be looking a million times better. The next video will be me installing the flares and getting the bumper finally fixed how it should be. So stay tuned for that guys, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yay!